10 foods men should eat every day for better health. Welcome, gentlemen. I'm Christopher Mosley, and today we're diving into the heart of what it means to eat smart for optimal health. We're focusing on the top 10 superfoods you should incorporate into your daily routine. These aren't just any foods. These are nutritional powerhouses that can transform your energy, strength, and mental clarity. So, grab a seat and let's kick off this journey towards a healthier you. We all want more energy, a stronger body, a healthier heart, and a sharp mind. The secret? It's on your plate. Eating the right foods daily can enhance your overall well-being significantly. Today's focus is on foods that don't just fill you up, but also fuel you for peak performance in every aspect of life. Let's explore how easy it is to integrate these essential superfoods into your everyday meals without turning your lifestyle upside down. 1. Leafy greens. First up, the humble leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard might not be new to you, but they pack a nutritional punch with vitamins A, C, and K, plus minerals like iron and calcium. These greens help boost muscle function and maintain stable energy levels throughout the day. Start your morning with a green smoothie or toss them in your lunchtime salad. 2. Lean meats. Next, lean meats. Think chicken breast and turkey. High in protein, these meats are crucial for muscle repair and growth. They also keep you feeling full, reducing unnecessary snacking. Grill them with spices for a savory dinner. 3. Berries. Berries such as blueberries and strawberries are antioxidant dynamos. They're fantastic for protecting your heart and boosting brain health. Snack on them with yogurt or add them to your morning oatmeal. 4. Nuts. Almonds and walnuts are your best friends when it comes to heart health, thanks to their omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E content. Munch on a handful as a snack to keep midday hunger at bay while aiding in cholesterol management. 5. Whole grains. Whole grains like quinoa and brown rice are excellent sources of energy-sustaining carbohydrates and fiber, which aid digestion. Swap processed grains for these whole versions in your main meals to maintain a steady stream of energy throughout your day. 6. Fish. Salmon and other fatty fish are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, supporting brain and heart health. Try adding fish to your diet twice a week, grilled, baked, or in sushi. The possibilities are endless. 7. Legumes. Lentils and chickpeas aren't just for vegetarians. They're a protein and fiber powerhouse. These legumes help stabilize energy levels and are versatile in dishes like soups and stews. 8. Dairy or alternatives. Greek yogurt, kefir, or fortified alternatives deliver needed calcium and probiotic support. They bolster bone health and improve gut function. Mix them with fruits or incorporate into smoothies. 9. Fruits. Don't underestimate the power of fruits like bananas and oranges. They're loaded with essential vitamins, particularly vitamin C, offering energy and immune system support. Keep them handy for quick, nutritious snacks. 10. Seeds. Chia and flax seeds are exceptional sources of fiber and omega-3s. Sprinkle them on salads or into smoothies for a nutrient boost that promotes good digestion and heart health. So, how do you make these foods part of your daily life with ease? It starts with mindfulness in meal preparation. Meal ideas. Try a green smoothie or omelet loaded with veggies for breakfast. For lunch, opt for a quinoa salad with grilled chicken. Dinner could be seasoned salmon with a side of roasted vegetables. Snacking. Keep almonds, berries, and Greek yogurt in your pantry for easy snacking. They're not just convenient, they're filling, too. Recipes. Explore simple recipes like berry smoothies or a nut-crusted chicken breast to enjoy the best of these superfoods. Remember, consistency is key. Your body thrives on routine, and by consuming these foods regularly, you are investing in long-term health. Balance is important, too. 2. Mix different foods in varying meals to ensure a broad spectrum of nutrients and enjoy the benefits of enhanced nutrient absorption. Don't forget to pair your superfoods with adequate hydration to fully unlock their potential. Now, let's talk about practical matters. Cost. Buying in bulk and selecting seasonal produce can help manage costs. Taste preferences. Not a fan of a particular food? Experiment with spices, sauces, and cooking methods. 10 foods men should eat every day for better health. Portions. Keep portion sizes in check to avoid overeating, which can counter these health benefits. To summarize, these 10 superfoods can greatly enhance your health, vitality, and longevity. Incorporate them into your diet, and not only will you feel the change, but you'll see it, too. Ready to start your health journey? Make a quick trip to your local grocery store today and invest in your well-being. For more wellness wisdom, don't forget to check out our health tips playlist. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so share your experiences and favorite recipes in the comments below. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, continue making choices that enrich your life and fuel your ambition. Stay healthy and strong.